Hey guys, welcome back. From yesterday night, I could see that something is paining around my nose ring. Then I have observed that this is a pimple which has developed recently. So it's really irritating to me. Today I am going to share the recipes regarding that. The home remedies, the 3 very effective and very simple home remedies. I'm going to share it with you because I think most of you are having pimples due to oily skin and you don't know what to do. So let's get started and you will definitely enjoy. Just try it. Whichever method you like, whichever is easy to you, you can apply it and see the result. You will definitely get the best result. Just watch it. Guys, the first step is the face steaming. See what I have. I have a bowl, plastic bowl. Then I have filled the warm water in it for steam. Then I have a towel. I will be covering my head the way I am doing. Just see it. And then I'll stoop down and cover the plastic bowl. Then after 5 minutes, just see I have got this steam over my face. You can see the water particles. The steaming is done. This is really important. The next step that I will be doing is soothing. For this, first of all, I will rub the steams from my face and then I will apply aloe vera gel. I am using Patanjali gel. If you have other gels like Apollo or any other brand, you can apply it. This aloe vera is really important because usually these pimples get out due to the heat produced from our inside body. So if you can soothe, make a good soothing effect, it will be really useful. The third step is the acne treatment pack. This will be totally natural. I'll take a glass bowl. Then I will put half teaspoon of turmeric. Then the next ingredient that I am having is the sandalwood powder. This is the one I have got from Khadi Herbals. You'll get it easily from online store like Amazon and all. Once putting it together, I'll be mixing it, but I need some water to mix it up. A little bit of water. Be very careful while pouring the water, otherwise if it becomes totally liquidy, that won't be effective on your skin. This much of water, then you have to apply. Take a toothpick. Then I have taken a hair clip and then I have put some this cotton over that, and then I am dipping it and I have applied it over the affected area, just touching the affected area. Do it to all the parts of your face. This is going to be very effective. After placing it all together, you have to keep this for some time, say for half an hour till it dries out. This is a very good remedy because this haldi is having the antibacterial property. So is with the sandalwood. So the sandalwood is really effective to dry out any type of this liquidy substance that grows inside your skin surface. So this pack is really effective. You can try it at least twice in a week. This is going to be very effective. Now I'm going to give you an alternative solution also. For this you will be needing cinnamon powder, then lemon, half teaspoon of lemon, then some honey, fresh honey, mix it together and apply it again with a toothpick wrapped by a cotton ball or a hair clip wrapped with cotton. Apply it totally well, very well over your face. Just tap it. Tapping it is really important because this will stay for a long time. Now after doing this, you have to keep for some time till it dries out, and you will get a very good result. Just trust me and apply it. You will definitely be benefited. And after applying twice in a week and for 1 month, just let me know what is the condition of your acne or pimples over your face, and give me a reply in the comment section. If you have any type of query, just give me a ping in the comment section. I will be happy to help you out with any type of problem that you are facing. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. I think you have loved this video. Please